I want to talk about time. Do you have a few seconds? Of course you have a few seconds. You have much more than a few seconds. You have all the time in the world. But do you? Do you really have all the time in the world? Because I have noticed that time is going so fast and life is just passing in front of my eyes so fast that I can barely catch it. And all I see is memories looking back where I can reach to places of happiness but also reach to places of regret. Time is the most precious thing that God gave us. What are you doing with your time? How are you managing your time? Do you feel that time is just running between your fingers? Shalom, my name is Alon Nava, and I want to invite you to a very powerful lecture. Tuesday, February 10 in Boca Raton, Florida. I'm going to be talking about the aspect of time based on the teachings of Kabbalah and break it down to simple time management steps that you can follow to bring you to have success in everything that you put your mind to when you focus on your time. So mark down the date, Tuesday, February 10 in Boca Raton, Florida. Visit the link below for more information. Please share this video and I hope to see you there.